Hi guys, so I am stepping way out of my comfort zone for this furniture flip. I bought it and I didn't know that this was velvet. So I don't know if you can see that with the light. So originally I was going to just, I had already bought it, so there was like no going back. I like went to go pick it up and I was like, okay. So originally I was going to possibly like try to dye the velvet, because if you know my style, it's very like neutrals and boring and white and gray and black. So I was gonna try to dye it, and my mom was like, no, I think you should lean into the velvet, and if you make it dark in the centers of that pattern, it's going to make it look really gothic, and it's summertime right now, so I wanted to do more colorful pieces anyways. So it's going to be super tedious to kind of take my little tiny paintbrush and outline all of those little guys. So we'll just have to see. I got these colors. I got this color, and I got yellow, red, blue, and if it looks like garbage, my backup plan is turquoise. So we'll just have to see how it goes. I love the hardware. I think it's so beautiful. That's pretty. These drawers are in backwards, so I'll have to flip them, but like it's so fun and unique, and I really am excited to do this. It's just gonna be a lot. I think I'm gonna also lean in really heavily with the gold. So we're gonna just play around and see what I can come up with. It's gonna be an experiment for me as well. So I might have to get like a spray bottle so I can blend easier, but yeah. And I got these like really basic primary colors so that I can mix them, but I'm really excited to try something new, and yeah, thank you for watching. Let's get into it. Alright, so this is where I'm at right now. I've just gone ahead and done the whole thing with the coral pink color. And of course, I figured out how to take out the velvet backing, the last drawer, after I spent so much time on that one and that one. So I kind of played around with this bottom drawer with gold leafing and with blue and yellow and other colors to blend them out and see how I liked it. And so now I'm just going to be putting those same colors kind of on the rest of it. I feel like I'm gonna probably want to go in pretty heavy with like the turquoise color that I have. I'm not super loving this salmon color. I thought it was gonna be more orange, so we'll just have to play around and see. Hopefully we can get it somewhere that I like and I don't have to repaint the whole dresser. So cross your fingers for me. Okay, so update, I put the hardware on and I added some more yellow. I'm still really struggling with, oh, I also sealed the gold leafing. I have another video about gold leafing that better explains how I do it, but I sealed it and then my video didn't save, so that's already done. I'm struggling still with the red. Luckily, I found out how to remove that lining, so I think I'm going to, and I think I'm going to make them gold because I think this has turned into like a very like princessy dresser. So we will try to remove those and like let's see what we can do. So yeah.